how to make money with Instagram Reels. Hey, how's it going, guys? It's Jackson here with Internet Money Lifestyles, and what I'm going to be talking about today is, well, what the title says. How can you generate income with Instagram's newer feature, Instagram Reels? Now, if you don't know what Instagram Reels, basically and simply put, it's pretty much Instagram's version of TikTok. And the thing that I think is so great for people right now to jump on Instagram Reels, unlike TikTok, well, they're really kind of both the same, but Instagram is a little bit, with their Instagram Reel feature, is a little bit newer. So you have more potential to reach a larger audience, to go maybe even a little bit more viral. Both can go viral, but it's just another platform that you can use to go ahead and start earning some money with. Okay, so as you can see right here, I got the Instagram pulled up. I just started this Instagram, so if this is something that you want to go ahead and check out and follow, it's Internet Money Lifestyle. Check it out, go follow it. But this is what it is. So right here, if you don't have Instagram Reels, so this was something that I did not have on this account, what I want you to do is go down here and click that click this right here. If I can click it, it's in the top right. And what you're going to do is then you're going to go to settings, go to help, and then report a problem, and then basically say something isn't working, general feedback, whatever. You can click that, and then from there what you can do is you can type, say, hey, I would like Instagram Reels. I didn't have it on this account right here, but after I did that, within a day, I had Reels on my accounts. Okay, so if we jump back over here, as you can see on Instagram, this is what Reels is all about. Pretty much just going through just like TikTok was, and you're just scrolling through, you know, you have these short little videos. You have the potential to go so viral with these. Just go through. It's really just like TikTok. If you don't have TikTok or you don't know what it is, well, this is basically it, but Instagram's version, okay? The awesome thing about this is that you have so much potential to reach people with Instagram Reels. I mean, you can post one video, and what I'm actually going to go ahead and do is I'm going to pull up my screen here again. Okay, so I got this pulled up, and this is one of my Reels that I posted, what was it, back at the end of July, and I just want to show you some insights here. As you can see, I had 2,500 plays, which is quite incredible for it being my first Reel that I posted. 23 likes, 5 people saved it, and I think I gained somewhere around like 12 Instagram followers. I think I only had like 8 at the time. Now I'm up to 20. Okay, so now that you kind of know what Instagram Reels is, what I want to do is I want to show you a method that you can use to start generating up to $100, possibly every single day, or if not more, maybe less, maybe way more, maybe right at $100 a day with this method. This is a method I'm not seeing a whole lot of people implement right now, maybe with TikTok, but not on Instagram Reels, which is a totally different audience, untapped audience. And this is going to be a great method. So I promise you want to stick around until the end on this one. Okay, so here we are on ClickBank, and if you don't know what ClickBank is, it is an affiliate marketing website to where you can go and you can promote other people's products and you can earn a commission. So if you go to ClickBank, go ahead and get signed up. Once you get signed up, you're probably going to land on a page something like this right here. Then what I'm going to want you to do, because this I had troubles with not too long ago, but what you're going to want to do is then head over here to accounts. Once you get an account, create an account, come up with a nickname. For me, my YouTube channel is Internet Money Lifestyle, so I put IML in the years 2021, so then I just put a 21 behind it. Once you get done with that, you can then click on Affiliate Marketing Place, or you can just click on this itself. I just go there, I click that, and now we're basically logged in with my ClickBank with that IML21. So once you get there, then you're going to want to go right up here to Marketplace. Click on Marketplace, and then you're going to have all these categories that you can pick from to choose something that you want to promote. And if you're really feeling up to it, there's something that you know a lot about, that you're super interested in. Maybe you already have a page that started and it's related to one of these niches. If you're feeling up to it, go for it. But if you kind of want to just be full on step by step, told exactly what to do, what I recommend is going to the health and fitness niche and then picking one of these top products. Okay, so as you can see, weight loss. I mean, everybody wants to lose weight, right, nowadays, and there's so many fitness pages that you can come across, and you can post their content, and basically you can earn commissions off of their content. So once you get to ClickBank, what you need to do after you signed up for an account, you created that account like I told you, then you're going to go through and, you know, click through these, see which ones you like. I've already kind of looked through these two. There's this one. You can promote this. This is a flat belly tonic, which is like, something that you put into a drink. You drink it. It's supposed to help you lose weight. But what I want you to notice here, if you're not familiar with ClickBank, is this right here. The average conversion is $141. So if you get somebody to purchase this and you promote this product, you have the potential to earn on average about $141 per sale. Sometimes a little less, sometimes a little more. It could be anywhere in between or right at. If you go to this other one, the average conversion is $174. So this one may be even a better one to look at. Just go to the website. You can kind of see what it is, see which one you like more. Maybe go down to the third one. You earn about $106 on average promoting this product. This one looks like more of like a squeeze supplement or something. Okay, it's for healthy gums and teeth. All right, so that's something different. Maybe if you're a dentist or interested in something like that, cool. Just go through the products and see which one fits best. Now, what you want to look for is a gravity score of I would recommend probably about 100 or above. That means the product is good. That means that's how many people have sold the product. So it's doing well. So if it were me, probably what I would do, since this one has 320, 483, that's actually really, really good. That's almost a little too high for me. So I would probably go down to this BioFit right here. Remember, we already looked at this. And if I want to promote this, I would click promote, this button right here. And then remember that account we went to? So if we go back to here, the account, remember this is what I put in. So once you go to promote, I already lost it. Promote, okay, that's where you're gonna put your account nickname. That's where you're gonna put it in. Sometimes it might already be there for you. I'm not sure. I think it might be there for you if you already clicked your account. Then all you can do is generate hop links. And then you're gonna click this button right here. And you're gonna have it copied. And just to show you, open a new tab, click paste and go. And boom. So now if somebody goes to this link, which is my link, then they click on this, they watch this video, next thing you know, they buy the product. What I will do is I will earn a commission, and this one's saying on average it's about $174 a commission. I mean, come on, that is awesome. Maybe sometimes less, maybe sometimes more. Here's the strategy I want to give you guys. Okay, so what I want to do is go ahead and hop back over onto my phone, as you can see here. And what I did is I went ahead and I pulled up TikTok. We are on TikTok right now. And what I'm going to search is fitness, okay? We're going to search the top thing. So, there's probably a lot of middle-aged older women who are looking to lose weight. So we go over here and we click this right here. We see this girl's obviously into fitness. And we can see she does workouts. Let's just see if she has everything about her stuff is fitness. And so we have content for days that we can use that is hers and post it on Instagram Reels. And then once it's posted on Instagram Reels, then it starts to go viral. People click on your account. And once they click on your account, then they go to the link, they make a purchase, and then you make a commission. Like, that's awesome. And you don't even have to show your face while doing it. You're using other people's content to make these sales. Okay, so let's go back and let's find another fit girl, okay? Top liked, boom. This one's another fitness girl. She posts a bunch of fitness stuff. I mean, look right here. We got 124,000. I don't know if that's gym. Oh yeah, still talking about lats are better than yours. Yep, gym stuff. So as you can see, this is all content that you can take and you can download it from TikTok and then post it on Instagram as your own with some sort of type of fan page. So let me show you what I'm talking about. All right, so we're back on my phone here and we just searched daily fitness. Okay, so you see women fitness workouts, boom, right here. As you can see, this isn't one specific female posting this. I mean, it's one specific person posting these, but the count isn't about one specific female. It's about all sorts of different females, obviously, with their content that is being posted on this page. So look, this has 20,000 followers. You can then put your link in the description for the affiliate product because most people are going to be coming here and checking it out because they're going to like the content. that you got from TikTok, and then post it on here, and then they're probably going to go to your profile, see what you have to offer, and then click that link, and then hopefully, you'll make a sale out of that. And then I just want to show you some more women's fitness workouts. Bam, once again, bunch of different women on this page. So as you can see, this page isn't about one single person. This isn't a personal page. This is like a brand page, a hype page that has a lot of followers, even 5,000 followers. You're going to start out with not very many followers, but you're going to be able to post your reels onto your page like this. And then as you can see, then you can put your link, your affiliate link to said product. Okay, so now what we need to do is we need to figure out how to get the TikTok videos that we like or that we think will be viral enough to go viral on Instagram. And then we need to download it and then take the TikTok watermark off, because Instagram does not like that. Of course, it's their competing social media. So we need to be able to take that off, and then we can repurpose it and post it onto our Instagram page for an Instagram reel to go viral. So then that way people can click on our page and then click on our link and you make a commission. Boom! Okay, so now I'm going to show you guys exactly what you need to do. We're back on my phone here. And so all you need to do is, let's just say, let's pick this video right here. We're going to click on it. This is the video we want to download. So then we'll take it. This one actually has a bunch of watermarks all over it. So kind of look for that and notice that. That's not one we're going to use that has too many watermarks. This one has a lot, and this one does not have watermarks all over. So be aware of that, because obviously it's going to have watermarks on it already, but we want it without the TikTok logo. So what we're going to do is click the share button right here, and then we're going to click copy link right here. Now we have it copied. Okay, now you're going to go to snaptik.app, that exact website. You're going to go here, you're going to paste in the link, and going to click download. You're going to give it a second to download, and then once it's downloaded, now I can download it however I see fit. Okay, then once it's downloaded on the app, as you can see here, you're going to hit this button in the top right corner. You're going to click on it, then you're going to go down here, and then you are going to save video. Bada bing, bada boom, bam. Now watch. Now here it is right here in my photo library. I have this entire video that is saved. And look, there is no watermark at all. I can now head over to Instagram, and guess what? I can post that video. Probably gonna go viral because it's a good looking girl and it's a fit girl. And so once I get that posted, people are gonna start clicking on my Instagram page, and guess what? They'll probably hopefully click the link, and I'll start earning a commission. Super simple way that you don't even have to show your face, and it's a great strategy to make some extra money. So guys, with that strategy, that's all I have for today. If you want to learn how I'm building a $10,000 a month business with affiliate marketing, starting my own business from scratch, you want to learn exactly the steps that I'm taking to build to that business of $10,000 a month, and we're going to try to just absolutely crush it, surpass that. If you want to know exactly what I'm doing, the exact steps I followed, how to build a funnel and email list, and how to build an email follow-up sequence, which are all the steps to create a sustainable business. The method I just showed you can be great to earn some money here and there, but it's not a sustainable business. If you want to learn more about that, go down in the description below, click that link, get signed up for the 3-day business breakthrough challenge. That's exactly what I did. That's how I've gotten started with this, and how my YouTube channel is now starting to blow up, starting to actually see some real results. It all started with the 3-day business breakthrough challenge, and if that's something that you're interested in, go down in the description below and get signed up. But other than that, guys, that's all I got for today. I'm out.